WILDKEN hand warmer. They're rechargeable. Let's open up the box, show you what you get inside. This is a 5200 milliamp hand warmer. You get the charging port cable, USB-C. It's C to C adapter if you have just a C adapter to plug in. This is a unit that will need to be recharged. And there is the actual area that you're going to take the cable, plug it in. As it's plugged in, it's going to charge to 3 blue lights located where my index finger's at. When it's fully completed charge, you pull it off you're going to look for the on and off button located right here, black on black. As you press, there's going to be one red indicator. Press it again, there'd be 2 indicator. And again, there'd be 3 indicator. And this will start to heat up after so many seconds. And they got 3 levels of heat. You have the temperatures of 104 through 118 degrees, 140 degrees, and so forth, and 131 degrees. This would take a couple hours to fully charge, and you simply just place in your hand to keep your hands warm. This is an excellent hand warmer. It's got some type of material that is non-slip, and it's all of black. It's nice large size that you can just warm your hands up when needed. You're given a pouch that if this gets too hot, you keep it in the pouch to take some of that heat off. And this will also hold in the heat a little bit better than just having it bare. That is the hand warmer, rechargeable. If you like going skiing, hiking, biking, camping, fishing, wherever you need to have a hand warmer, just to get your hands warm in those cool days, this will be right for you. I hope you can enjoy your hand warmer. If this is the gift you want to give somebody for holiday seasons that stays outdoors or just wants to keep their hands warm, I hope you enjoy your product.